Hello there friends, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing a new platform or a new site I haven't even talked about since the day I started YouTube channel, because this is a new platform and you are going to earn so much money today. So please help me click on that red subscribe button and like this video. The more you like this video, the more you tell YouTube that this video is a nice video and let YouTube push it out. Please don't also forget to leave a comment. So like this video. Okay, so let's get into this video. Now the name of this website is called Moneydex. As you can see it right here, Moneydex is the name of this new website, and once you register on this website you're going to get 2,000 naira as the welcome bonus. Yeah, the welcome bonus to register on this site is 2,000 naira, and then your daily logins will be 200 naira. That is, any day you log in you get 200 naira. If you log in today you get 200 naira. If you log in tomorrow you get 400 naira, just like that. Now your direct affiliate bonus, that is someone you refer to this website, you get 2,000 naira. For example, if I refer you to this website, I get 2,000 naira immediately paid into my account. Now our pure post bonus is 300 naira. That is, if we make a post or we post about this website in our social media accounts like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, we are going to get a whooping payment of 300 naira. Now our indirect affiliate bonus will be 200 naira. Now how this indirect affiliate bonus is, for example, I refer you. Once I refer you I get 2,000 naira. Now once you refer another person, me that referred you, I'm going to get 200 naira. That's what that indirect affiliate bonus is. Now the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira. That means that once you are registered, if you get this 2,000 bonus, you can withdraw it, and once you perform each and every one of these, you're also going to get paid. Okay, now the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira, and don't also forget that the name of this website is called Moneydex, and Moneydex is going to be launched 5 days from now. In fact, once Moneydex is launched, I'm going to get you guys notified so that most of you can come and register if you want to register, and it is a based in Nigeria platform. Now the registration for Moneydex is just 3,000 naira. I won't tell you to register on this platform yet because you have to make your own personal researches too about this platform. But as you can see, it's a new platform and it's going to be launched 5 days from now. It means that most people aren't into it. So before you invest your money, I will put a disclaimer that you should invest what you feel you can lose. That once you lost that kind of thing, is not going to affect you. That's what I'm trying to say. So don't invest, and at the end of the day, if the investment fails, you're going to lose everything. So invest what you feel that even though you lost it, is gonna be comfortable for you. Everything will be comfortable for you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and once this new platform is launched, I'm going to tell you guys, and please turn on the notification bell so that when this platform is launched, I'll be making a video about it and you're going to get notified if to register on this platform or not. I hope the video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.